Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 toddler-friendly recipes. Hope you all enjoy it. First one is a beef and veggie rice. I'm using brown rice here. So I've soaked 1 cup of rice. I have chopped 1 potato, 1 white onion, you can use red onions, half a carrot grated, 2 snap peas, 1 tomato and half a capsicum, handful of spinach. This is the type of beans I am using. It's called snap peas, and also about 100 grams of beef. So I have boiled the beef under pressure with the brown rice, since the brown rice takes time to cook. To that I'm adding all the veggies except the spinach, curry leaves and the spices. I've used cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, a bit of pepper and a bit of turmeric as well. Once the rice is cooked well along with the beef and the vegetables, I'm adding the spinach. Give it a nice mix and the beef and veggie rice is ready. The second recipe is a vegetable vermicelli pulao. For that I have chopped up half a capsicum, 1 tomato and a quarter broccoli. Heat some oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Then add in the chopped broccoli, capsicum and tomato. Once the vegetables are softened, add in the spices. Again I have added cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, pepper and turmeric. Then adding a handful of baby spinach. Add in some water, bring it to a boil. Then add the vermicelli. This is roasted vermicelli. Cover and cook it till it's softened and it's ready. The third recipe is couscous with grilled vegetables. So for the vegetables I've used 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 capsicum, half a sweet potato, 1 potato, all roughly chopped. For the spices I have used salt, pepper, some Italian seasoning and sweet paprika. Also add in some lemon juice if required and also some oil. Give them a mix and leave it aside. To a bowl I have added the couscous, then salt, pepper, sweet paprika, cumin powder and also dukkha. With nuts. So this is a Mediterranean spice and you can omit this, it's not required. I'm just adding it for flavor. Give them a mix. I've also added about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add boiling water, covering the couscous. Cover and leave it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes has passed, you can fluff up the couscous. Add some tomato paste, this is optional. Lemon juice for flavor. Give them all a mix. Grill the vegetables that you marinated at 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes until the potatoes and sweet potatoes are softened. Once grilled enough, add them to the couscous and mix it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content. Till I see you next time, take care. Bye bye.